Okay, so I saw a video of Critical, or Penguin Zero, whichever you know him as, playing the impossible game, and in the video he said that the impossible game is harder than solving a Rubik's Cube with your bare nipples. So I saw somebody else do it, and I figured I should have a go at it since I can solve a Rubik's Cube. I have a Rubik's Cube, I have bare nipples, and I like Critical. So here we go. Okay. Yeah. You can skip to the end, I suppose, if you don't enjoy watching me massage my nipples with a Rubik's Cube. But for those of you that do, continue watching. This is harder than I thought. Oh. Wait. I'm going to play it safe. My arm is hurting. My nipple is numb now. I don't really like that word, but you know. I gotta use beginner's method algorithms when I solve with my nipple because I know those better. That there. So I solved it with my nipple. I hope my nipples were visible. Thank you for watching. If you watched or fast forwarded, I don't mind. Thank you.